Okay, after assembling,
Here's a hint. Before you put the arm inside here, put the blade on first. Because we didn't do that. We thought we pushed it all the way, tightened everything down. But look, it hits the side every once in a while. Every once in a while. Here, see that?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Right there.
So the blade, the arm has to go in further.
Yeah, but now we already put the screw hole in here, so I don't know if we can make another screw hole. We're gonna try. All right, now, so how you take it apart. Put that up. Go like this. Put up. Like this. Up. Over here.
Wow, the whole thing has to come out.
The whole thing has to come out.
Wow.
Pop it out. Which one was it?
Well,
The black one.
yeah, it was. God.
Let's see. Come on. Let's see. Which one could it possibly be?
Well, wouldn't you be able to tell by pushing?
Wait, it was the middle one. It was this one. Because it was the middle wire. Right?
Well, you put a new blade on. One of the blades should be.
Yeah, but one it was green and white, green and red wire, and these the only two. It's either this one or that one. Right? I think I put it in the middle. I didn't put it on the end. I'm guessing it's this one. I'm pretty sure. I pushed it in, but I don't know. I hope I didn't push it in too much. I hope there's no adjustment on it. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's good.
All the blades spin.
And the gears. You can't see the little gear.
Right.
Make sure that the white gear is engaging with the small. The big white gear is engaging with the small white gear.
Mm-hmm.
And not hitting, the blades are not hitting this.
On the side.
This has to be pushed in all the way.
Okay.
The right arm. Nice and smooth. Okay.
Good. That goes on first so that the LEDs are visible.
All right, man. QC inspection passed. Not that it matters, but put it on this side. This doesn't go through there, does it? This goes on. Right? This piece. That doesn't go through there, I don't think, right? The battery thing. Always take pictures before you start, because you never know. From here. Hold in there. Put your glasses on. Okay. All right.
That's good enough. Yeah.
Test complete. Verified working unit.